Foldable technology has always advanced thanks to Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series, and the most recent leaks of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 are providing us with an intriguing first peek at Samsung's 2026 plans. Samsung might concentrate more on improving the overall Fold experience with significant updates rather than a significant redesign. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold May 8 include the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy CPU, which offers superior performance, more AI features, more gaming capability, and higher battery economy, according to recent rumors from trustworthy tipster Jason C. With an 8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X inner screen and a 6.5-inch cover display that both enable a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, Samsung is also anticipated to enhance the visual experience. Samsung might concentrate on narrower bezels, brighter displays, and a less noticeable crease for a more upscale feel, even though the sizes might stay the same. Additionally, leaks indicate that Samsung might provide RAM versions of 12GB and 16GB in addition to storage options ranging from 256GB to 1TB. One of the Fold 8's greatest features could be its upgraded camera. Samsung may ultimately release a 200-megapixel primary camera with optical image stabilization in addition to a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens, according to rumors. If accurate, the Z Fold 8 might be the first foldable gadget to offer truly ultra-level camera capability. A 5,000 mAh battery, quicker 45-watt cable charging, and faster wireless charging are all anticipated battery upgrades. When used on a daily basis, battery life may noticeably improve with the upgraded chipset. According to the source, Samsung is concentrating more on improving the Fold series into a more potent and refined flagship experience than on making significant modifications. Not everyone will be pleased with Samsung's recently disclosed 2026 foldable chip roadmap. According to a recent leak, the Galaxy Z Flip May 8 once more alternate between Exynos and Snapdragon power, depending on the market, while the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Z Fold 8 Wide may remain exclusive to Snapdragon power. According to a recent leak from Aaron Kenya, the Galaxy Z Flip May 8 continue to use Exynos CPUs, but the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide are expected to use Snapdragon. This year, Samsung used a similar approach. The flagship Snapdragon chip was used in the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Trifold, while the Exynos 2500, which was absent from the Galaxy S25 series, made the Galaxy Z Flip 7 the first foldable to make its global debut. Samsung might use the same strategy in 2026. While the clamshell-style Galaxy Z Flip May 8 mostly use Exynos technology, the high-end book-style foldables, namely the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Fold 8 Wide, are anticipated to rely on Snapdragon power.